Hello, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Estate Mountain Valley in Forza Horizon 6. If this video helps you, please like it, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so let's unlock your own estate. First, you need to earn your first stamp in the collection journal by exploring Japan and completing Discovered Japan activities. Once you've earned your first stamp, May will call you and ask you to visit her grandparents' old home, the Yashiki House. All right, head over to the Yashiki House and purchase it as your player house. As soon as you buy it, you'll unlock the estate, a large mountain valley that's completely overgrown at first. This is your own permanent space where you can build roads, place props, create custom tracks, and decorate it however you want. Your friends can even visit everything you build. From here, open the estate tools and start clearing the area and customizing your new home. And that's how you unlock the Estate Mountain Valley in Forza Horizon 6.